Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use the secret calculator features in Windows 11. So if you don't know, Windows 11 includes a robust and feature-rich calculator app with hidden or lesser-known features that go beyond basic arithmetic. And so this video, I'm going to show you a guide to use these secret features. First, to access the advanced calculator features, you can just open the calculator app first. So here I'm going to go search for the calc app. Okay, this one. Open it. Now, if you want to switch the modes, you can just click on the hamburger menu at the top, these three lines icon in the upper left corner to view all the available modes. So there are a few modes that you can choose in here. There are the standard one, which includes basic calculation, scientific, for trigonometry, logarithms, and more. There's also this graphing, programmer for binary, hexadecimal, and octal operations. There's also this date calculation to calculate the difference between two dates. And there's also converter, which convert units such as currency, length, weight, and more. You can see the options in here. And now you can just choose which one that you want to use. Let's go with the scientific, let's say. Okay, so here are some secret features that you may not notice in the scientific calculator. You can use for complex calculations. You can switch to a scientific mode for advanced calculations. Include the trigonometric functions such as the sin, cos, tan. This one. There's also the exponentiations and logarithmic operations. This one's right here, and there's also factorials, percentage, and memory functions. And let's open the other mode. Let's go to the programmer in here. So in the programmer, it's perfect for developers. You can do binary, hexadecimal, and octal conversion, logical operations, and bitwise manipulations. And let's go to the date calculation. So this one's right here. The date calculations, you can use this mode to find the number of days, weeks, or months between the two dates and add or subtract days from a specific date to calculate deadlines. For example, here let's change this one into 31. You can see the difference is 1 week, 2 days, or 9 days. Let's go to the graphing mode. So the graphing mode, you can use the graphing mode to enter and plot functions like y, or analyze key point, intersections, and trends, or zoom in or out to adjust the graph view. You can just do it like this. Next, lastly, you can use the converter in here. The converter mode allows you to switch between currency, live rates if connected to the internet. For example, you want to know how many dollars to Europe now. I'm going to go with 2. For example, you can just add the number here. You can also convert temperature, volume, length, weight, energy, area, and others. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.